Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pencil stand number 2. So this is the second pencil stand. So get the first 2 blocks and turn them towards you. Turn this block down like this. Now turn these 2 blocks down as well, like that. Okay. And now you're going to turn this block up, and then you're going to turn this block inwards, I guess, like that. Now you're going to turn this block down, and then you're going to turn this block 2 times. So it should look like this. Okay, so now turn this block. Okay, so turn it to the back, I guess. And it won't quite fit, so turn this grey block towards you, and it should fit. Like this. Okay, now turn this block to the back, I guess. Okay, and now turn this black block upwards, like this, and then turn this black block to the side, so that it matches. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to turn this 2 times, like that, so it faces this. And then you're going to turn this grey block down, like that. So pretty much you should have created a second layer around it, and you're back to the start. Now turn this piece to the back, like this. So it's like a copy of this side. And then now turn this black piece upwards. And then turn this grey piece 2 times. Okay, and there you go. And then finally turn this blue piece to the right, like, 1 second, like this. And there you go, you have a pencil stand. So you can put a pencil inside it like this. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button if you're right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.